Before engineered protective fabrics, before advanced industrial safety standards, before high-performance protective apparel, there were exposed arms, strong enough to lift, carry, build, and repair, yet constantly vulnerable to sharp edges, heat, sparks, and abrasive materials. For generations, workers understood that protecting the hands alone was not enough. Glass sheets could scrape the forearm. Freshly cut metal left razor-sharp edges. Machinery exposed workers to repeated contact with rough surfaces. Traditional long sleeves offered limited protection. Heavy leather restricted movement. Thick clothing became uncomfortable during long shifts. Industry needed something lighter, stronger, and more practical. That solution arrived with one remarkable material: Kevlar, developed during the 20th century as a high-performance para-aramid fiber. Kevlar combined exceptional strength with surprisingly low weight. Unlike many traditional fabrics, it could resist cutting forces while remaining flexible enough to move naturally with the body. Engineers quickly recognized that the same technology protecting the hands could also protect the arms. The result was the Kevlar sleeve, a simple garment with extraordinary performance. The science behind Kevlar sleeves begins deep within the fiber itself. Kevlar molecules align into long, highly ordered chains. These tightly packed structures create exceptional tensile strength. When a sharp object presses against the knitted surface, the fibers distribute force across thousands of interconnected loops. Instead of allowing the blade to cut directly through, the fabric resists separation by spreading the load over a much larger area. Modern protective sleeves rarely rely on a single material. Many combine Kevlar with glass fibers for increased cut resistance. Elastic yarns improve flexibility. Moisture management fibers keep the skin dry during extended work. Some models incorporate cooling technologies that improve airflow without reducing protection. Others feature flame-resistant properties for environments involving heat and sparks. Construction requires remarkable engineering. Seamless circular knitting eliminates pressure points. Graduated compression helps the sleeve remain securely in place. Thumb loops prevent unwanted movement during repetitive tasks. Elastic cuffs maintain a close fit around the upper arm. Every stitch contributes to stability. Every fiber serves a purpose. Throughout modern industry, Kevlar sleeves became essential protective equipment. Glass manufacturers handle large panels with greater confidence. Metal fabricators reduce the risk of lacerations. Automotive assembly workers navigate confined spaces filled with sharp components. Warehouse employees, recycling specialists, emergency responders, and utility technicians all benefit from dependable arm protection. The garment quietly protects one of the body's most active working areas. Psychologically, reliable protective equipment changes behavior. Workers move with greater confidence, concentrate more fully, and perform delicate tasks without constant concern about accidental injury. The best protective clothing becomes almost unnoticeable. It supports movement rather than interrupting it. Modern innovation continues advancing protective textiles. Computer-designed knit structures provide different protection levels across a single sleeve. Recycled technical fibers reduce environmental impact. Lightweight para-aramid blends improve flexibility. Touchscreen-compatible cuffs integrate more easily with other protective equipment. Digital manufacturing minimizes material waste while increasing consistency. The future of Kevlar sleeves is becoming lighter, cooler, smarter, and more sustainable, yet their mission remains exactly the same. Protect skilled hands by protecting the arms that guide them. Today, Kevlar sleeves are worn across factories, construction sites, laboratories, manufacturing plants, emergency services, and industrial workshops around the world. Their materials continue improving, their engineering continues advancing, yet the greatest achievement remains invisible. They quietly reduce risk, without reducing freedom. Every engineered fiber reflects decades of scientific research. Every seamless knitted structure represents extraordinary textile innovation. Every pair of Kevlar sleeves reminds us that true protection does not slow human progress. It allows people to work, create, and build with confidence every single day.